All right, y'all, so today I'm going to be showing y'all what I got from Temu, and I know this isn't my normal setup, but baby girl just got off work and she's pretty tired, okay? But I know I want to start using this stuff tonight, but I did want to show y'all. And majority of the thing, or all of the stuff that I got is either nails. Christmas is here and I plan on giving everyone some handmade things like soap, body butters, perfumes, lip balms, and things like that. So I did order some stuff off Temu. So I got these bags right here, and it comes with these little sticker things that say handmade on them, and I just plan on putting some bath salts in there. I also got a few packs of these, and I didn't even know that you could see through the top, which is nice, you know. I didn't know that. I think I got 2 packs of these, but I think that's cute, so you can see what's actually in there. They aren't the best quality, but it's okay. I'm literally just putting some body butter in here. If I can close it. I also just started crocheting bags, so I got these. Hold on, let me open it. Oh. I got these little, I don't even know what you would call them, like hooks. Like little hooks for like handles and things of that nature. I got them in different sizes. So we got the little clip like ones. We also have, I don't even know what these are. I don't think I looked, but I specifically got them for these clips. So happy about that. And I also have some without the clip. I can't remember how much that was. I don't know how much any of this stuff was, but it's Temu. It's all pretty cheap. I also got this little nail brush to like dust off nail dust. I got these cheap little white towels as well for nail stuff. I got these nail brushes. They were a really good price. I think they were like $5, $6. Bubbles for my nails. They're like 3D little bubbles. I don't really want to take it out the package. I also got these hearts. Let me see if it'll focus. I don't know if you can really see that, but I got some hearts. Some little clear hearts for my nails. I also got 2 packs of these butterflies. I cannot wait to use these. I've been looking for some really cute butterfly nail decorations. Oh yeah, I also got these little buckles for bags. Again, let's focus. They're just little triangular buckles to close your bag. So I got this, yeah, this is really flimsy. I got this little soap mold from Temu. I have one of these, but it's like an oval, and I really wanted a square one or a rectangle one. This is very, very flimsy, especially compared to the one that I got. And I guess it did, like once I put the soap in, it's not gonna matter, but it's super flimsy, super duper flimsy. So I don't know about this. I'm also making some lip balm, some cocoa butter lip balm. So I got these little basic lip balms who, ooh, where's the fucking top? Okay, they're just in there, but yeah, it's got these cheap little containers for my little lip balm I'm gonna make. So let's see what else I got. So I think that's pretty much it. I got 4 of these little perfume containers. I've recently gotten into making perfumes, and I've had these little oils sitting for a few months, and I'm gonna place them in these for my sisters and my mom. I think I got like 4 or 5 of these. They're really cute, very cheap. Couldn't have been more than $2. Very cute though, extremely cute. We're on to our last 3 items. So again, some more hardware for purse making. I didn't know what to get, and I just don't want to run out of stuff. So I just pretty much got a variety of the same thing. So these are just circles. Then I got the little hook ones. Then I got these ones in different colors. So I just want to have options, you know. I also got these little hearts, like these little heart magnets. Also, they can also be used to close a bag or anything. So, and last but not least, I was very excited about these, even though it's probably the smallest out of everything. I did make most of my family hats or scarves. So I got these cute little badges. Dang, how am I gonna hold it for y'all? These cute little badges that say handmade on them. How cute is that? How cute is that? And I don't even know how many. I think there's 10 in here, different colors. So I'm very excited to add these to their handmade items. And, oh, one more thing. Are these little labels. And I'm just gonna put these on top of here just so people can know exactly what they are. I might even put them on the face bar. I don't really know, but these will come in handy. I feel like all this stuff will come in handy even if I don't use it for Christmas stuff. So yeah, that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Temu is, I feel like people have super high expectations for Temu when they know what they're paying. And that's the craziest part to me. Like, I can't be upset that this is flimsy because it was only like $2 or $3. Like, so I don't have anything bad to say. All my stuff came. Nothing was broken. I got everything that I ordered. The shipping time was fine. Probably took about a week and a half to get to me. This is not my first time ordering from Temu. Sometimes it's a week, sometimes it's 4 days. This has probably been the longest, but it's probably because it's Christmas. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna be touching this stuff tonight. So I really want to show y'all that before I started my little arts and crafts. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will talk to you guys next time.